विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। We'll revise the second chapter. Okay, who wants to start? Litika, chapter number 2, first shlokam.
Yes, ma'am. अतः द्वितीयोऽध्यायः। सञ्जय उवाच तन्तता कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् ईषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः।
Good. Next, Uma ma'am, next one.
Yes. श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वा कश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम्.
Same tune will follow. Same tune that Litika chanted. Kutasva kashmalamidam.
Okay.
Kutasva kashmalamidam vishame samupas.
Yes. कुतस्त्वा कश्मलम् इदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन.
Okay.
Sorry.
Next. No problem. Next, Usha. Next one.
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतद्वैयुपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Next. Deepak is on mute, I think. Litika, back to you.
Yes, ma'am. अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हाव वरिसूदन.
Uma ma'am.
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्.
न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः युक्त्वा जयेम यति वा नुज्जयेयुः यानैव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिता प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावाः
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः. That word means यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चिन्त ब्रूहि.
I'll say it. यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे.
यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं सदिमं त्वं प्रपन्नाम्.
शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
I'll repeat this shlokam. Okay, listen. Karpanya doshopahata svabhavaha pritchami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha yachreyasyan nishchitam bruhi tanme shishyasteham shadhi mam tvam prapannam. Okay?
Ma'am, can you repeat this?
Sure.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Okay, take care of all the dirghams. Okay, dharma sammudha yachreyasyan. Okay, take care of those. Okay. Shadhi mam tvam. I know you were like you were conscious about, you're conscious, you're making an attempt to chant it correctly. It will come next.
Okay.
Ritika. Okay, Srinivas, we are doing revision of chapter number 2. We are in shloka number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We just completed 7th one. Yeah.
Yes.
8th one.
You want me to chant, ma'am? Okay.
Yes.
Nahi prapashyami mamapanutyat yacchokamuchoshanamindriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamrudham rajyam suranamapi chadhipatyam.
Mriddham. Mriddham. Okay. I'll just chant it. Nahi prapashyami mama panudyadyachoka muchoshanam indriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamriddham rajyam suranamapi chadhipatyam. Okay, next. Uma ma'am.
Yeah. Sanjaya uvacha एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तपः नयोत्स्य इति गोविन्दमुक्त्वा तूष्णीं No, I think tune has gone for a toss.
No problem. I'll chant it. Eva muktva hrishikesham gudakeshah parantapaha nayotsya iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuvaha.
Eva muktva hrishikesham एवमुक्त्वा हृषीकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तपः नयोत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः.
Okay. Jyoti ma'am, good you joined. We are revising. Namaste. We are doing revision of chapter number 2. We just completed shloka number 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. Uma ma'am, after that, Usha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tamuvacha rishi keshah pragasanniv bharata senayorupayor madhye vishidantamidam vachah.
Next. Litika.
Yes, ma'am. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Ashochanandavashochat Rasatvam
I'll say this word. Ashoch ya nan vasho chastvam.
Okay, ma'am. Asocyanan vasochatvam.
Cha is chastvam.
Chastvam.
Chas.
Chasvam.
Yeah.
Asocyanan vasochatvam.
Sure, ma'am. But you're saying some
Show.
baby or show, correct. Ashocyananvashocastvam, or you can say shoho and then say leave it. We'll not split it that way. Leave it. Ashocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase.
Asocyanan prajnavadamscha bhashase.
Vadamscha. So should be clear, no? Prajnavadamscha bhashase.
Prajnavadamscha bhashase. Gatasumcham nashusochanti.
Sumscha.
Gatasunagatasumcha nanusochanti panditaha.
Nanusochanti. Show. Okay. Here also same show is coming.
Nanusochanti panditaha. Panditaha.
I'll repeat, then you repeat, okay? Ashocyananvashocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase gatasunagatasumscha nanusochanti panditaha. Repeat.
Asocyananvashocastvam prajnavadamscha bhashase gatasunagatasumcha nanusochanti panditaha.
Okay, next. Sorry, who's next? Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Natvevaham jatunasam natvam neme janadhipaha na chaiva na bhavishyamaha sarve vayamatah param.
Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. 13 sloka right now. Hello.
Natvita 12th one.
12th one I need to chant, right?
Yeah.
Natve.
Sorry. 12th one just concluded. 13th one. Yeah.
Okay. Dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantara praptihi dhirastatra na muhyati.
Just intonation, okay? Tatha dehantara praptihi.
Tatha dehantara praptihi. Tatha dehantara praptihi. Dhirastatra
na muhyati.
Dhirastatra na muhyati. Dhirastatra na muhyati.
Okay. Next. Uma ma'am.
मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्यः स्थांस्ति
स्थितिक्
तिक्षस्व भारत. The last line I'll repeat again.
Sukha. I'll repeat the whole shlokam.
Yeah.
Sukha. Okay. Kha is second ka. Sukha dukkha. Matra sparshastu kaunteya शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत. Tams, okay, tams, sthitik, ik because ksha is there. Tam sthitikshasva bharata. Repeat, ma'am.
Yes. Matra sparshastu kaunteya शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत.
Good. Since okay? Morning, it came out okay now. Since morning, I've been trying to chant I wanted to post a recording of chapter number 2, and so I woke up early. I started recording. I was almost, at the fag end of this chapter, maybe last but 5. Somebody rang the bell. And then it got disrupted, and again I tried. I made a mistake, so again I had to abort that. So I'm since morning I have tried 3 times. I can always edit, but I'm very lazy to edit my videos. So I want to get it right from start to finish, get it right, and posting is easier for me. So you all try to chant from start to finish. It's it's a challenge. Even I find it challenging. So it's okay. We are all learning. Yeah.
And
maybe
it becomes
we are
like a practice. It's
a very good practice. It's a very good practice for me. That's one of the reasons I started this channel. I mean, I may sound selfish, but it's for selfish reasons I started. Now, since morning, I've been saying this. I've chanted this chapter at least 3 times, and I'm happy about it.
Yeah, so nice.
That becomes a lot of practice.
Yeah, and I normally don't edit my videos, ma'am. It's a lot of effort, and I might as well spend that time doing something else. So I want to get it right. So I'm going after this class. I'm going to try again. I hope I get it. Else only tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
I will try, madam.
Yeah, you try, ma'am. It's a challenge, actually. You have to, and you record it. So you can always play it back, and you will know your
Locate the mistakes.
While chanting, I exactly know where I'm going wrong. Exactly, I know. But I'm recording, so I can't, I don't want to go back and correct those. Yeah, sorry. I just wanted to share this experience.
Nice, ma'am.
Thank you so very much, madam.
Usha.
यन्हि न व्यतयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखं धीरं समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोमृतत्वाय कल्पते.
Nishika.
Yes, ma'am. नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
Second line, repeat one more time.
Yes, ma'am. उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोनस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः.
First time you chanted correctly. Tvanayos-tattvadarshibhihi.
Ma'am, can I chant the second line again? उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्तदर्शिभिः.
Okay, better. Tattva. Okay, there are two tas. Tattvadarshibhihi. Okay. Next, Jyoti ma'am.
अविनाशी तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति.
Avinashi. She is short. Avinashi tu. Immediately say tu ma'am. Tadvidhi.
Avinashi tu. Okay ma'am.
And second line, Vinasham. If you are ending with im, then say avya.
Okay.
Or say Vinashamavyayasyasya.
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 Vinashamavyayasyasya. Na kaschit kartumarhati.
Okay. Next. Srinivas.
Antavanta ime deha nityasyoktā saririnaha anasino pramisyasya tasmadyudhyasva bharata.
Okay. Archana, we are revising second chapter. Shloka number, I'm bad at Sanskrit numbers. What is this, ma'am? 18.
18 times.
18.
Okay, second 18. Okay, ma'am.
Next,
I'm just taking.
Uma ma'am.
Yeah. Ya enam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubhau tau na vijanito nayam hanti na hanyate. Was it okay?
Yes, Usha.
I tried to combine the whole thing.
Yeah, good actually. Good.
Thank you.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् न्यायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Archana, 21st.
Yes. Veda vinashinam nityam ya enamajamavyayam katam sa purushah partha kankatayati hantikam.
Good. Next, Nitika.
Yes, ma'am. Vasamsi जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णान्ति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णा अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि.
Grinhati. Ha should be clear. I'll repeat this, okay? Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. Repeat. You want to repeat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vasamsi जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णान्ति नरोपराणि.
Grinhati. Litika. Grinhati.
वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णा अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि.
You have jirna, is it? I have jirnani.
I have Jirna, ma'am.
Yes, even in mine it's Jirna. And dash, and the next line is Nyan.
Ha.
Nyan Yani. Yeah.
Ha. That has been
For
split.
me also.
Okay. So you have to chant together. Okay. Fine. We'll check this. Okay. Sharirani. Okay. Tatha sharirani. Okay. Next. Jyoti ma'am.
Nainam chin. I lost the tune, ma'am.
Nainam chindanti shastrani.
Okay. Nainam chindanti shastrani. Nainam dahati pavakaha. Na chainam kledayantyapo. Na shoshayati marutaha.
Srinivas.
अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यमक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतः स्थाणुरच लोयं सनातन. No, sorry, I lost the tune, ma'am.
अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः.
Okay, so here Ra will not come, right?
No, it will come. Yeah. However, it's there in your book, you can read. Okay. I have this book which is meant for chanting, Bhagavad Gita for chanting. So they have like logically positioned all the breaks.
Okay.
So I mean, it's okay. Like you can follow the script.
Okay. अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्यो यमक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः.
Umana. Avyaktoyamachintyo yama vikaryoyamuchat. Sorry. Avyaktoyamachintyaha ayamani. No.
I'll go by the script in my book. Avyaktoyamachintyoyam.
Avyaktoyamachintyoyam. Avyaktoyamachintyoyam.
So I think you have chintyoya mavikaryo you have, right?
Yeah.
That's because ma is ma plus a. So it's okay. Same thing. Avyaktoyamachintyo yamavikaryo. Same thing, ma'am.
Okay, there I have to pause. Okay.
If you want to break, you will say chintyoyam and then say avikaryo. If you don't want to break there, then you say chintyoya mavikaryo.
Okay, yes. Avyaktoyamachintyoyam avikaryoyamuchyate tasmadevam viditvainam nanushocitumarhasi.
Okay, next.
अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि.
अच्छा.
चातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृत्स्य च जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं योषितुमर्हसि
न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि
न त्वं शोषितुमर्हसि ओके न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि
Ritika.
Yes, ma'am. अव्यक्ताधीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तानि धनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना.
You change the tune, that's okay. I mean, whatever tune you were following, right? Same tune. Avyakta, di is dirgham, no? Dini bhutani. Avyakta madhyani bharata. Avyakta nidhanan yeva. Tatra ka paridevana.
Can I repeat?
Sure. अव्यक्ताधीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तानि धनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना. Next.
Ma'am, what's the tune for this 4 lines one, ma'am?
Same tune, I think. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschideenam Ascharyavad vadati tathaiva chanyaha Ascharyavat chainamanya shrinoti Shrutvapyenam vedana chaiva kaschit.
Okay. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschideenam आश्चर्यवद्वति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित्.
मन्यः शृणोति, just combine it. मन्यश् शृणोति.
Okay.
Next. Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am. देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयं देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुमर्हसि धर्म्याद्धियुद्धाच्छ्रेयोऽन्यः क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते.
श्रेयोन्यः, then anyat will come, no? Anyat.
श्रेयोन्यः. Then
no, if you are saying together dharmyadhiyuddha shreyonyata.
Then kshatri. Okay. धर्म्याद्धियुद्धा श्रेयोऽन्यः क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते. Was it okay?
Shreyon yat is there in my book.
Yes, it is there.
Shreyon yaha.
Kshatri.
Anyat. You have to then say anya. You are saying Shrey.
How do you put it?
You said yuddha shreyaha.
Okay.
Yaha. Then then what happens to nyat, right? You have to say anyat.
Anyat. Okay. Got it. I just repeat, ma'am.
Sure.
Yeah. स्वधर्ममपि चावेक्ष्य न विकम्पितुमर्हसि धर्म्याद्धियुद्धात् श्रेयः अन्यत् क्षत्रियस्य न विद्यते. I think I made a mess again.
No, this was correct. Anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Yeah,
so it was
correct.
okay, no? Okay.
Correct.
Anyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Okay. Thank you.
Usha.
Yat shreya chap. One second. Yat shreya choprapannam sarva swargat
Yadrichaya
yadrichaya choprapannam
chopapannam yadrichaya chopannam
yadrichaya chopannam chopapannam yadrichaya chopapannam swargat Dvaramapavrutam Sukinah
Swargadvara mapav or Swargadvaram apavritam.
Okay. Swargadvaramapavrutam Sukinah Chatriyah Partha Labante Yukta Midrisham.
Next option.
Ata chettvamimam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi tatasvatarmam kirtim cha hitva papamavapsyasi.
Tatasvadharma dha should be long. Swadharmam kirtim cha.
Okay, tadasvadharmam kirtim cha hitva papamavapyasi.
Okay. Nitika.
Yes, ma'am. Akirtim chapi bhutani katayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya char kirtihi maranadatirichyate.
Jyotima.
भयाद्रण्णादुपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतो भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्. I lost the tune, ma'am.
That's because break after bahumatah.
Bahumatah. Okay. येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्.
भयाद्रणादुपरतं दनाम द्रणा
भयाद्रणादुपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमताः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्.
Bahumato will become bahumataha only, not taha, mataha. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I corrected. Thank you.
Okay. So mamsyantet, like bhayadranaaduparatam mamsyantet tvam maharatha. It will sound good, ma'am, if you say it's long, followed by holding should be longer. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am. अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरं नु किम्.
हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
Repeat for yuddhaya after that.
युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः.
Correct. Next.
कृत.
सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि.
Archana.
Which one, mommy? Yes, it's 39th, right?
Yeah, 39.
येषा ते विहिता सांख्ये बुद्धिर्योगे त्विमां शृणु बुद्ध्या युक्तो यया पार्थ कर्मबन्धं प्रहास्यसि.
Next.
स्नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्.
So swalpa no is a Kannada word, means little. Swalpa. Okay, next.
Ma'am, in that one, where do we break, ma'am? Vyavasayatmika buddhihi.
Correct.
Buddhihi. Then eke. Is it eke?
Guru Nandana Bahushakha Hyanantascha Buddhayo Vyavasayinam.
Vyavasayatmika buddhihi एकेह कुरु नन्दन बहुशाकाह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्.
Srinivas.
यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः वेदवादरताः पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः.
कामात्मानः स्वर्गपरा जन्मकर्मफलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति.
भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तया प्रकृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाद्यो न विधीयते. समदौ न विधीयते. समादौ न विधीयते.
Next, Archana.
Which one I have to say? Sorry. I moved. I moved a lot of
45.
45.
Yeah.
I'm 8, so it's okay. Traigunya Vishaya Veda Nistraigunyapavarjuna Nirdvanta Vo Nitya Sat Vastaha Niryoga Shema Atmavan.
No, Litika, you try this. The same shlokam. After that, we'll come back. Okay. Go back to Archana.
त्रैगुण्यविषये वेदा निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्तास्तो निर्योगश्च क्षेम आत्मवान्
निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस् सत्. If you see two thas are there, no? So nityasattvasthaha. Swasthaha.
Okay.
निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्तः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
Archana, you want to repeat?
Yeah. त्रैगुण्य विषया वेदा निस्त्रैगुण्यो भवार्जुन निर्द्वन्द्वो नित्यसत्त्वस्थः निर्योगक्षेम आत्मवान्.
Okay. Litika, next one.
यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः
सर्वतस् taha plus tas, no? Ta plus tas. Sarvatas samplutodake.
सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान्
सर्वतस्, you get it right, okay? Sarvatas samplutodake.
तोदके यावानर्थ उदपाने सर्वतः सम्प्लुतोदके तावान् सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्रह्माणस्य विजानतः.
ब्राह्मणस्य
ब्राह्मणस्य
vijanatah.
Repeat the shloka.
One thing, it's not somewhere else. Sarvatas, okay? Sarvatas, you are saying something different. You are saying sarvatas. Repeat.
Yavanartha udhapane sarvatas samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu brahmanas brahmanasya vijanatah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
udhapane.
Class, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Udhapane, no need to stress the, okay? Udhapane. Okay, bye.
Udhapane. Okay,
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
With the tavan sarveshu vedeshu, and then you say brahmanasya, or you say vedeshu brahmanasya?
So breaking vedeshu, then brahmanasya. Okay. So saying together vedeshu brahmanasya. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
But better
I'll say
to
the next one, ma'am.
Better break to break. Okay. Even I wanted to give this advice to Srinivas as well. If you don't break, then see there are 18 chapters. So if you have to do a Parayanam, then it will get very difficult if you don't pause, break the line. No, it requires a different level of expertise. So better to break, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. I'll do the next one, ma'am.
Yeah.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि.
Bhurma, or you can say ma karma phala heturbhuhu ma te sang. That sango, ma'am. If you say ing properly, it will sound good. Ma te sango sva karmani.
Okay. So we say karma phala heturbhuhu.
Heturbhuhu.
Ma te sango stava karmani. Sango
stava karmani. Correct.
Okay. Ma karma. Can I do it once again, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः भूः ते सङ्गोऽस्तव कर्मणि
हेतुर्भूः माते.
माते. Okay, ma'am.
Instead of saying bhoor, you're just saying bhuhu and break. That's it. That's the only difference. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Shall I go ahead, ma'am?
Yeah. Go ahead. We'll chant 2 shlokas, okay, together, because we'll save some time. At least we'll complete this chapter. Two. Okay. Next 2 you chant.
Okay. योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संयम त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यः सिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ फलहेतवः.
Good. It was clear. Next.
बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृतदुष्कृते तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम् पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम्.
Correct. Usha.
यदा ते मग कलीलं बुद्धिर्व्यक्तितरिष्यति तथा Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Sure. I'll repeat the first. Moha Kalilam is there in my book. You said something different. What is there in your book? Yada te
Moha Kalinam.
Okay. Yada te moha kalilam buddhirvyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam shrotavyasya shrutasya cha.
Yada te moga kalilam buddhirvyakti tarishyati tata
Vyatitarishyati.
Buddhirvyatitarishyati tata gantasi nirvedam Shrotavyasya Shrutasya cha.
Tada, okay, not tatha. Tada.
Tada, okay.
Good, okay. Next. One more, no? One more you have to say. Okay.
Shruti viprati. Shruti viprati pannate yadastyasyati nischala samadhyavachala buddhihi tata yogamavapsyasi.
Good. Nice meaning this shlokam has. Okay, next. Archana.
Okay. Uvacha stita prajnasya ka bhasha samadhistasya keshava stitati kim prabhasheta kimasita vrajeta kim.
Next. Yeah, next one.
Bhagavan uvacha prajahati yata kaman sarvan partha manogatan atmanyevatmana dushtaha stita prajnasta doshyate.
Tatoj. Okay, fine. Next. Yeah, Jyoti ma'am.
Okay. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Praja.
That's done. That's done. Next one. Dukhe.
Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha Sukheshu Vigataspruhaha Vitaragabhayakrodaha Tithadhir Muniruchyate Yes Sarvat.
Continue.
Continue, ma'am. Yes Sarvatrana Bhinehaha Tatprapya Shubhashubham Nabhinandati na dveshti Tasya prajna pratishtita.
Nadveshti. You corrected it.
Nadveshti.
Next. Srinivas.
Yes. Yada samharate chayam kurmongani vasarvasaha indriyan yadebhyaha. Sorry, ma'am. Indriyadebhyaha tasya prajna pratishtita vishaya vinivartante निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते.
यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता.
Hold the if twice, ma'am. Tasya prajna pratisthita.
Tasya prajna pratisthita.
I'm sometimes exaggerating. That's because we are connected over the phones. I want to be sure you hear what I'm trying to communicate. Yes. But if that ip should be held twice. Okay, next one. Usha.
ध्यायते विषयात् पुंसः संगस्तेषु प्रजायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो विजायते.
Sangasteshu, okay? Shu should be long. Sangasteshu upajayate or Sangasteshu upajayate.
Okay.
Next one.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः स्मृति
correct. Sammohat smriti t should be short, that's all. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha.
सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः स्मृति ब्रह्मशात् बुद्धिनाशः.
One second. Smritib bra no ba and ra. Smritibhramshad buddhinashaha or buddhinasho.
स्मृतिर्भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
Next. Archana. How many of you are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We
We'll
have
try to
only
do 3 at a time, no? We'll do 3 at a time, please.
okay. रागद्वेषविमुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्याशु बुद्धिः पर्यवदिष्टते नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न चाभावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम्.
Good.
Shall I go ahead?
Is
Good,
it me,
good.
ma'am?
Yeah. Next 3.
इन्द्रियाणां हि चरतां यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हरति प्रज्ञां वायुर्नावमिवाम्पसि. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. यानि सा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी. यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सानि सा पश्यतो मुनेः.
Just one small observation. Not nigrihitani. Nigri should be separate. Nigrihitani sarvashah. I heard it as nigrihitani. Okay? No holding of ga there. Yeah, but otherwise, nigrihitani.
Okay.
Otherwise, it was clear actually. Next.
आपूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्.
Ma'am, tune.
आपूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी. विहाय कामान्य सर्वान्.
Same, back to the original tune now.
Yes. विहाय कामान्य सर्वः. Correct? पुमांश्चरति निःस्पृहः. Was it okay?
Continue.
निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः स शान्तिमत्. निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः स शान्तिमधिगच्छति. एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति. स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति.
Read the other.
Yes.
Om Tat Sat also.
Om Tat Sat iti श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे सांख्ययोगो नाम द्वितीयोऽध्यायः.
Yoga of knowledge. Yes. Any doubts?
Thank you, madam. It was very nice chanting this
We'll
chapter.
wait for your recording.
Yeah,
ma'am.
actually, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I'll share it. There's a difference, right, in repeating after me and doing it yourself, correct?
Yes.
The learning is maximized when you do, and then when when somebody is there to mentor. Even I feel the same.
Yes.
We should create more such opportunities. Like I think the chanting opportunities, we'll need to reserve some 10 or 15 minutes. So we'll go back to previous lessons and chant.
Yes.
Even if it is like 5 or 10 shlokas, it will be worth it. Okay,
Yes.
it was nice listening to you all.
Thank you,
Normally,
ma'am.
I've been chanting
Thank you,
from
ma'am.
like all throughout.
Guruji,
Nice chat.
Madam,
tomorrow we are doing third one or what? Tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do third one. Third one, hopefully we can finish. We'll do like 5 shlokas. Each person can say. No, there's a difference actually. When I was learning, one at a time was easy. After that, when I was asked to chant like 5 at a stretch, it was again learning something new. So
yes.
I'm trying
Okay.
to combine all these learnings. So when I say 5 at a time, then that will place you at a different level. And the whole chapter at a time, and then couple of chapters at a time, they all have learnings as we move along. So 5 at a time, if we do, we'll finish, and then
Yes.
we'll move on to chapter number 4.
Now,
Thank you.
that time was also a good experience, ma'am.
Yeah, what, ma'am?
Okay.
Can you repeat? Please?
Even 3 at a time was a good one.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
attempt. Yeah.
You try the whole chapter, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm just waiting that this attempt will be okay. I don't want to keep, doing. Let me see. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks,
Thank you
everybody.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Guruji,
Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Guruji,
Bye.
yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Guruji,
Bye,
you're there.
ma'am.